By the end of this video, you will know how to use make.com to automate lead follow-up. Start by logging in to your make.com account. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create a new scenario. This opens the scenario builder, where you will assemble the automation that handles incoming leads and sends the follow-up actions you want. Next, add the trigger module. This is the starting point for the scenario, so choose the app where your leads arrive. That could be a form tool, a CRM, or a spreadsheet, depending on how your process is set up. After selecting the app, choose the trigger that matches how new lead data should enter the scenario. Make sure you pick the correct trigger event before moving on, since everything after this depends on that first module. Once the trigger is in place, connect your lead source. If you already have a connection saved in make.com, you can select it here. If not, create a new connection and authorize make.com to access the source app. Follow the login or permission prompts for that service, then return to the scenario builder when the connection is complete. After that, add the follow-up actions. Click the plus button next to your trigger module and insert the modules you want to run after a lead comes in. Depending on your workflow, that might include sending an email, creating a task in your CRM, or posting a notification in Slack. You can add one action or several, as long as each one fits the follow-up process you want to automate. With the modules added, map the lead data into each action. This is where you tell make.com which information from the trigger should be used in each follow-up step. Place fields like the lead's name, email address, phone number, and any other relevant details into the matching fields of the email, task, or notification modules. Take a moment here to confirm that each field is mapped to the correct destination, especially if multiple fields have similar labels. Now test the automation. Click Run once in make.com, then submit a test lead through the same source your real leads will use. Watch the scenario run and check each follow-up action as it happens. Confirm that the email sends, the CRM task appears, or the Slack message posts as expected. If something does not match the data you intended, return to the module and adjust the mapping before testing again. When the test looks correct, set the schedule for the scenario. Choose whether it should run instantly or at scheduled intervals based on the trigger you selected earlier. This determines how often make.com checks for new leads and processes the follow-up sequence. Finally, click Save, then switch the scenario on. At that point, make.com will begin running the automation according to the schedule or trigger settings you configured. Your make.com scenario is now set up to automate lead follow-up.